group the questions which I am discussed. I am just writing it again. Please see to it. And I am just explaining this again. You have tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Well, that's very simple. It's tan inverse half plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So this will become tan inverse of 5 by 6 upon 1 minus 1 by 6. Well, this will be tan inverse of 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6. That is tan inverse of 1, that's 5 by 4. Now second one, 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equals to tan inverse 4 by 3. Now you have 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 minus half square. So that is tan inverse of 1 minus 1 by 4. That is tan inverse of 1 by 3 by 4. That is tan inverse of 4 by 3. So this is your first question. This is second. Hope it's clear. I am proceeding further. Now third question, sine inverse of 3x minus 4x is 3 sine inverse x. X lies between minus half to half. Now you have put x equals to sine theta on left hand side. So you have sine inverse of 3x minus 4x3. This is sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Well, this is sine inverse of sine 3 theta. This is 3 theta. This is 3 sine inverse x. Now, as x lies between 1 by 2, so you have sine inverse of minus half is less than theta is less than sine inverse of half, because sine inverse is increasing function. If it's increasing function, you will have same sign. If it's decreasing, it will reverse. So you have minus pi by 6 less than theta less than pi by 6. This is minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less than pi by 2. So that's in range only. So sine inverse of sine 3 theta is 3 theta. 3 theta lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Now you have tan inverse of root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 by x. So you put x equals to tan theta. So you have tan inverse of sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. This is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. This is tan inverse of, this is 2 sine square theta by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. This is tan inverse of tan theta by 2, that is theta by 2, that is tan inverse x by 2. Now next, solve tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is half of tan inverse x. X is greater than 0. Now this you have tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. This is half tan inverse of x. So you have tan inverse of 1 is 3 by 2 tan inverse x. So you have tan inverse x is pi by 1 is pi by 4, so it's pi by 6. So x is tan pi by 6, and this is 1 by root 3. So you have x is 1 by root 3. Hope it's clear. Now you have 2 tan inverse cos x is tan inverse of 2 cosec x. X is not equals to 0. Now you have tan inverse of 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is tan inverse of 2 by sin x. Now you have 2 cos x by sin square x is 2 by sin x. So you have 2 cos x sin x is 2 sin square x. So you have sin x into cos x minus sin x equals to 0. Now this means sin x equals to 0 or cos x minus sin x equals to 0. Tan x equals to 1, x equals to pi by 4. Now x is not equals to 0. So x equals to pi by 4. Now the last question is I must take that sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Now you have minus 2 sin inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x. Now let sin inverse x equals to alpha. So you have minus 2 alpha is cos inverse of 1 minus x. So you have cos of minus 2 alpha is 1 minus x. So you have cos 2 alpha is 1 minus x. This is 1 minus 2 sine square alpha equals to 1 minus x. So you have 1 minus 2x square is 1 minus x. So 2x square equals to x into 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So this means x is 0 and x is 1 by 2. But when you check it, x equals to 0 satisfies it? Yes. X equals to half? No. So you will see that. But x equals to half doesn't satisfy equation. So x equals to 0. So hope I have done all the questions. 1 or 2 of tan inverse properties there that I can explain you just now. That is tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Now take them pairwise. Tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5, tan inverse 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Now this is tan inverse of, this is 8 by 15 minus 1 minus 1 by 15. This is tan inverse of 8 by 14 plus this is tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 8. So this is tan inverse of 4 by 7 plus this is tan inverse of 15 by 56 upon 55 by 56. So this is tan inverse of 4 by 7 plus tan inverse of 3 by 11. Now this is tan inverse of, this is 65 by 77, 1 minus, this is 12 by 77. So this is tan inverse of 65 by 65, that is tan inverse of 1, and that is pi by 4. So that only you have to prove. Thank you, class. Tomorrow I will start with differentiation of inverse trigonometry.